Alright, hey, what's up guys? This is Larry. I'm a full-time reseller and have been since 1997. This is everything we sold in the last couple days. Today is Thursday, so it's been Wednesday and Thursday. I had a pretty good day. There's a lot of cool stuff I want you guys to check out because it's stuff that you won't believe that it goes for so much and I'm getting that much for it. And you might want to look for it if you don't have it right now. So, hey, let's see what we got. I'm excited. Here's something that was pretty good. We just listed this last night. It was called Christmas Candle something or other. Let's see if I just redid all my DVDs just a few minutes ago. So hopefully I can find this stuff. Might want to take this $4.99 sticker off this. Bought this for $1 at a pawn shop. And we sold it for $24.99. It was new. Sold a Wild Country. Yeah, I'm way down here in the last thing now. We added so many more movies. We just added a ton of movies. We've been trying to get... I've been slacking the last few weeks just because I was burnt out. But we listed a bunch of stuff. This I got a pawn shop the other day for 75 cents. And we sold it for $19.99. It's out of print. It's got Ron Howard in it. Make sure you scan those DVDs. Golden Years. I hate that. I used to know where all this stuff was. But like I said, I just added like 2 shelves full of stuff. And now I don't know where anything is. I just saw this when I was moving it too. Let's see if I put it under King, because it's a Stephen King movie. Somehow I just didn't overlooked it here. It's brand new. I picked it up at a pawn shop for $1 and we sold it for $12.99. All right, I haven't talked about these for a while, but if you've been watching my channel, you know I bought 2,400 of these saw blades. They're bow saws, and I bought 2,400 blades for 40 bucks. I just sold a pack of 5 for $29.99. This is like the 5th pack that I've sold. So I've already made tons of money off this stuff, and I still have like 2,380 saw blades or something. So this has been one of the best scores in history. So we sold this for $29.99 with shipping. We just finally listed this shirt. We've had this for, I don't know, a week or two, but we just listed it. It's an old school shirt, single stitch, from 1993. Cool, like, graphic of a dolphin in the water, and a bunch of lightning bolts all over. It's an all-over shirt. We listed it yesterday and sold it yesterday for $89.99. We paid $1.99 for it. We sold a belt buckle out of here. That one. There we go. WKYG AM 1230. We paid 50 cents for this at a thrift store, and we sold it for $14.99. Okay, we sold a Spencer and... it's a Hepburn. Should be any H's here, I thought. Like I said, I knew where this stuff was before. And now it's changed already. I just saw this. That's the problem when you start moving stuff around. You don't remember where you put stuff. Let me try to find it. All right, we found it 2 seconds later. It was under Tracy. Tracy and Hepburn. It was new. We bought it at a pawn shop for $1.50, and we sold it for $13. Saw the video the other day. I just listed Travis Trout right here, and we just sold this for $38 with shipping. We paid $5 for it at a thrift store. Sold a Peanuts. Come Home. Is that it? Yeah. Sold that. We picked that up for $1 at the Dollar Tree, and we sold it for $9.99. All right, we sold this Tori Amos CD. Brand new. We paid $1 for it at Peddler's Junction, and we sold it for $11. Showed you guys that moonlighting that I listed the other day. Be on the lookout for these moonlighting. This was season 3, I think, and we bought it for $2.99 over at the Goodwill the other day. And we sold it for 40 bucks shipped. They sell well. Sell them as fast as I put them on. It took less than a day to sell it. Okay, we sold a Being Human. There we go. Is this it? Complete third. I didn't write it down, but I think this is the only Being Human I have. I had this sitting in my store for like a year for $15. Nobody would touch it. Sold it online today for $69.99. So they missed out. I paid, I got this for when I bought a video store out, and I paid $2.99 for it, I believe. So that was good money. Okay, there's a Dream Keeper. There we go. We just listed this the other day too, so it pays when you start listing stuff because it starts to sell. We sold this for $15.10, and we paid 75 cents for it at the pawn shop. This is a CD. I can't pronounce it. Should be easy to find because it's a super audio CD, and those usually are have rounded corners. I'm not seeing any rounded corners here. There it is. Be on the lookout for these rounded corners. Hopefully this is it. Is this like a cello? I have to double check it. But yeah, be on the lookout for these rounded corners. They're usually super audio CDs. It'll say it on here somewhere. It'll be SACD. It'll be an SACD. And then it says super audio CD right there. These go for good money. I paid $1.49 for this at the Goodwill the other day. We sold it for $18.88. I've sold almost every one of these things that I've found. Sold this Sleeping with the Sirens, or Sleeping with Sirens CD. We paid $1 for it. And we sold it for $12.99. We sold a Sam, right there, Sam Bamford. This is from Nightbreed, and he's that guy right there. We paid, I think, $2.99 for this, and we sold it for $14.99. We sold an Ip Man double CD. We got a bunch of these. We bought these at the Dollar Tree several months ago. Paid $1 a piece for them. And we sold this one for $8.99. Sold It's Wonderful Life. We just listed these tonight. I think we sold this one here. We paid $1 for it at a pawn shop. We sold it for $9.99. Dollar Tree can be a good place for you guys to pick stuff up. I find these CDs all the time. Like I said, I just sold this one for $8.99. I paid $1 for it. I have about 5 of them sitting in there. Oh, okay. Anyway, we got about 5 of those sitting in there. And like I said, they sell really well. I mean, a lot of times, but let the people sell out of theirs first, because a lot of idiots in the beginning, they're going to sell stuff for like $4 or $5 shipped, and they're not going to make any money. So when all those idiots are gone, you know, yours will start selling for $8 or $9, because, you know, some of us smart people save our stuff and try to get some money out of it instead of making a quarter. But I just bought 150 DVDs today, so mostly horror and some other stuff. So I haven't scanned them yet to see if any of them could be sold, but I thought I'd mention it to you guys. But anyway, guys, that's everything we sold the last couple days. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope there was some stuff you went, wow, I can't believe that sold for that much money, because I do this stuff every day. I mean, I find all kinds of stuff. Like that shirt, I knew I was going to get $75 for it at least, and I got $90, so I was happy. Stay tuned. Keep watching. We have all kinds of cool videos, what sold videos. We also have some autograph haul videos. But hit the like button and subscribe. And if you subscribe, please hit the all button. That way you can see all our videos. Peace.